Welcome to Raman B classes. Today we shall discuss AP, that is for 10th class as well as for plus 1 class. Very important concept. AP is actually part of sequence and series. Sequence क्या है? कुछ नंबर्स का कलेक्शन है जो किसी ऑर्डर में लिखे जाते हैं. सीक्वेंस फाइनाइट भी हो सकती है और इनफाइनाइट भी हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपकी बैंक के अंदर एफडी है, उस एफडी के अंदर इंटरेस्ट लग लग के अमाउंट एक सीक्वेंस के तहत बढ़ता रहता है. एक बैक्टीरिया है, बैक्टीरिया की पॉपुलेशन एक टाइम इंटरवल के बाद बढ़ती रहती है, तो वो एक सीक्वेंस फॉलो करता है. तो सीक्वेंस फाइनाइट भी हो सकती है और इनफाइनाइट भी हो सकती है. फाइनाइट, इनफाइनाइट. 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 dash 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 20. This is up to 20. This is a finite sequence. And if you write 2 4 6 8 and so on, this is known as infinite sequence. In today's succession we shall study numbers in a particular order. आपको 3 5 7 9 ऐसे नंबर दिए हुए हैं. तो इन नंबर्स के बेस पर आप इसको आगे पढ़ के बता सकते हैं नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा, या 10th नंबर पर क्या होगा, 15 नंबर पर क्या होगा. तो ये जो पैटर्न फॉलो करता है, टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स के बीच में जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है वो हमेशा सेम होता है. आप 3 5 7 9 डैश डैश डैश, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 81. This is an AP, arithmetic progression. Why? If you take these two terms, the difference is 2. If you consider this one and this one, that time also common difference is 2. Next term is 11. And like this you can write so many terms. Moreover, you can find how many terms are there between 3 and 81. And total terms are there. How many total terms are there in this particular AP? AP is formed A. First term is denoted by A. Then second term is written as A plus common difference. Then A plus twice of common difference. A plus thrice of common difference, and so on. And last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the pattern of arithmetic progression. First term is denoted by A, and common difference is denoted by D. Common difference between from second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, and so on. You take any two consecutive terms, subtract your common difference, you will find always same. See, first term is this, second term can be written as A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, and so on. Like this, if we come over here an, it becomes A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the general formula for AP. You can find n number of terms. For example, I have quoted 3 terms, 1 2 3. If you are supposed to ask write 10 term, you will write 10 term becomes A plus 9D. For example, you are supposed to find 28 term, you will write A plus 19D. You can find this way. So see, this is the general formula. Sometimes in place of an, tn is also mentioned in some books, and this denotes for L. L means last term. I will take an example to elaborate this, how to find terms of AP. See, what happens is, for example, you are given a pattern 3. I take this example, and so on. This is an AP. Last term is not given, and write next 2 terms. You are supposed to write next 2 terms. Very easily you can generalize this: 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. That is the simplest way. 11, then comes 13. This is the simplest way. But the logic, what is the logic? This is an AP. Why? First term is 3. Common difference. Common difference is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we are supposed to find fifth term. And fifth term can be written as A plus 4D. In place of a, you can put 3, then your common difference is 2. 3 plus 8, what do you get? 11. This is your fifth term. After fifth, sixth term is occurring over here. Sixth term will be written as a plus 5d. In place of a, you can write 3, 5, common difference is 2. It becomes 13. I have already written 11 and 13. This way you have to find. Is that clear? I think it will be clear to you. Now, one thing is there, it is in ascending order. You may get in descending order as well. For example, you are given an AP in descending order, that decreasing order, 80, 75, 70 dash dash AP. You are given like this. Write next three terms. Now you can generalize from here what will occur over here. But you have to apply the formula. We know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An denotes last term, first term, number of terms, common difference. This is the general formula for AP. 1, 2, 3. Fourth term will be a plus 3d. Fifth term a plus 4d. Sixth term you can write a plus 5d. In place of a you can write 80 plus 3. D, common difference, 75 minus 80 minus 5. This way you have to solve. 80 plus 4 minus 5. 80 plus 5 minus 5. This way you can find next term. For example, 4, 4, 4, 4. This is also an AP because common difference is 0. Second minus first 0. Third minus second 0. Fourth term minus third term 0. Common difference same, therefore is AP. Next term will be 4, 4, 4 and so on. It means AP you may have in ascending order or descending order. In fractional part, negative numbers, you can find like this.